Hello everyone, this guy's going to show you how to export Unreal Engine 4 models and AES keys. Once you have downloaded the AES key and U model programs, we shall begin. Now, go to U model, right click it, go to properties, go to unblock, press apply, press OK. Now, open it again, copy all these files into your game folder, go to your game folder, ignore the engine file or folder, go to the game, whatever it should be called, go into it, go to binaries, go to Windows 64, right click to shipping.exe, go to properties, go to details, and you will see the Unreal Engine number right here. Press OK, copy this, go back to the main folder where I had all the files, go to the AES key finder, paste the file right here, drag and drop the shipping.exe onto the find 25-bit. Now, you'll pull this up, press any button that you want, do it again, give it a few seconds, and it'll start looking for the AES keys for your Unreal Engine game. This won't take a few minutes or a few seconds depending on how big or how small your game is, so please be patient. Okay, as you can see here, I found two keys. We'll press any key to continue. Go to this folder, open up a new tab, pull this down, go back to your game folder where you have the U model basically all extracted right there. Now, run U model, override game detection. Now put in the game Unreal Engine 4 data. In this case, version 4.24, press OK. Now we will need keys. I'll go back to the key folder, copy this text, go back to U model, paste it, press enter, and do the same thing for the second code. Once that's done, press OK. Pull down the engine folder, go to game folder, go to characters. In this case, I'll go with Werethrope, go to meshes, go with clothed, wait for that to be finished. As you can see here, the model is loaded. Go to tools, export current objects. I'll skip the TGA and go with PNG because that's what's used, so that's either or. Press OK. Now, as you can see here, the textures and model is being exported. So give this a few seconds depending on how big the model is and how much resources you have available on your computer. Now that is done, you will close your model, go back to your game folder. As you can see, there's a folder called umodel-export. Go to game, characters. As you can see here, here's your model. Now you're able to import this into any program that you would like Blender, Neosis. So, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Have any 3D modeling questions you want to ask, feel free to comment below and I'll be happy to answer them to the best I can. If I don't have the resources or can't possibly rip the models from certain consoles or whatever, I may not be able to help you there, but I'll help you to the best of my abilities. So yeah, if you're going to rip models, make sure you ask the publisher or whoever made the game if you can use the models, because I don't want to be bitched at for people using models without permission. So please ask for permission if you can. If the game is not updated or basically revamped or posted anywhere within a month after publishing, the game may be dead or whatever, so you may legally have the rights to rip the models. Just make sure you ask the publisher or whoever made the models, just so I don't get harassed for it. Yeah, so see ya.